This guide shows you how to install a program from a CD or a DVD in Windows 10. Nowadays most programs are installed over the internet, so there's very little need to install from a CD or a DVD, but there may well be still sometimes when you do need to install something from a CD or a DVD. Now it's obviously worth pointing out that some modern day computers and laptops now don't have a CD or a DVD drive in, so first of all, best thing to do is check to see whether your computer or laptop actually has a CD and a DVD drive. So try and locate that first of all. Then once you've located it, eject the tray, put the disk in, and then push the button to close the drawer or manually close the drawer if you don't have a button to auto close it, and wait for up to 20 seconds because it will take a little while for the disk to be read. So there you go, this is what you'd normally get. So you get this autoplay window come up. So it says here select what happens with this disk, so just click where it says select what happens with this disk, and you should get this come up here, and underneath install or run program from your media you should get a run button there. So just click whatever's underneath install or run program from your media, and it should start to then install the program if you follow the instructions on the screen. But what if you don't get this come up? So first things first, what we need to do is we're just going to click on the start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and we're going to type on our keyboard Autoplay. That's A-U-T-O-P-L-A-Y, all in lowercase and no spaces. And you should see come up somewhere along here, turn autoplay on or off. Move your mouse over that, left click once. Okay, so we need to make sure that autoplay is turned on. If it's turned off, then just click the little toggle there and it will go on. Okay, and then we've got here choose autoplay default. So under removable drive it should say ask me every time, and under memory card it really doesn't matter here, I'd just say leave that as is. So there you go, so autoplay should be turned on, and under removable drive it should say ask me every time. Then move your mouse over the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen, left click once, and then what we need to do is we need to eject our disk. So push the eject button on your disk drive to get the disk out, okay, and then push the button again to bring the drawer back in, or push it back in manually if you don't have one of those buttons to automatically push the drawer back in. Give it up to 20 seconds and then hopefully this should come up, this autoplay, select what happens with this disk. So click on that, and then we've got the option here to click whatever's under install or run program from your media, and like I say, we can then follow the instructions. But what happens if this still doesn't happen? So the next thing we need to do is we can click on a yellow folder. There's a yellow folder just at the bottom of the screen there. If you don't have one on your desktop or at the bottom of the screen, click on the start button and then click on this folder just here. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to locate this CD drive. So there's mine there, it actually says in the left hand corner there, so click on CD drive. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we're looking for something that either says install, setup, or in this case it says start. So we're looking for something like, I say, install, setup, or start. So I've found this one here that says start, so I'm just going to double click on that. That's a double left click, and here we go. So it's come up with the installation window for my printer, which is what I've put the disk in for. So all we do is we just follow the instructions on screen to install our program, and hopefully that should get us going. So there you go, that guide showed you how to install a program in Windows 10 from your CD or DVD. I hope this guide helps, and thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.